Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and today's video is going to be a huge lipstick haul and also some nail polishes because why not? I recently picked up some amazing stuff, guys, amazing, and trust me, this is going to be absolutely amazing. Okay, now before we get started, guys, all of these products are available on purple.com. They're currently having the Big Beauty Blowout sale. Yes, that's a bit of a tongue twister, the Big Beauty Blowout sale, which will be live till 27th of September. You can get up to 50% off on 500 plus brands. So go ahead, guys, shop now, and I will share all the links in the description box below so you can check them out. Now, guys, before I start with the first set of lipsticks for the day, let me tell you that this is like a really colorful range, okay, where you have all kinds of shades. But after this, all the other lipsticks that I want to talk about are in different shades of nudes, okay, different varieties, different variants of nudes. I love nude colors, okay, like you might have even seen this on my channel. On most of the days I'm wearing nude colors because it's so classy, so timeless, so perfect. You can never go wrong with them. You don't have to worry about matching with your outfits usually when you're wearing nudes, right? So yeah, I just thought I'll pick up nudes for all different shades of Indian skin tones, and you'll probably find your pick. Now, starting with the first set of lipsticks, now this is going to be really fun because there's a whole lot of colors here, is the Stay Quirky Minis in the range Look Too Glam to Give a Damn. The shade, or rather the set, is called Kiss Me with Every Lip Color Kit 01. Kiss Me with Every Lip Color Kit 01. If you're utterly confused, like I just said, all the links will be in the description box below. Now, these are the Stay Quirky Minis, which basically means that you get one box of these lipsticks for 399 rupees. That's the MRP. Currently it's available at discount. And here are the minis, guys. There are actually 12 shades. If you've never explored them, for 399 MRP, I'm not even talking about the discount here, you get 12 shades of lipstick. So all of these are super tiny mini lipsticks, right? And it makes perfect sense, quite honestly, because you get every range of color out there, and they're just like super handy because it comes with a stand. You can actually just keep on your dressing table. And honestly, if you ask yourself, how many lipsticks have you actually finished off in your life? Not many, right? Like one tube of lipstick or one stick of lipstick will probably last you for years and years. At some point you just have to get rid of it because either you're bored or it has expired. With these lipsticks, you actually get the most out of your money spent. Now, before moving ahead, let me just swatch all of these colors on my arm. I've actually already filmed that bit, so I'll just show you what I've swatched, and yeah, just don't mind the slight change in voice in the narration. I was actually narrating while swatching, so yeah, just have a look at this first. Shade Unicorn Blood 40. Unicorn Blood 40. Shade Lust is Contagious 47. Boost My Mood 21. Trippin' Over You 46. Angel with Devil's Kiss 7. Fire Up Here and Down Below 39. Sorry guys for how weird this may be looking. I'm actually looking at the camera while doing this, so please pardon me. So how many shades have we done? 3, 6, right? There's 6 more left. So next we have Want to Get Messy 24. I love this color. You Badly Need to Be Kissed 50. Biting Not Allowed 10. Liar Liar Lips on Fire 4. Bad Girl Wild Lips 11. Saint with Sinner's Lips 8. And that's all the shades right there. Let me know which ones are your favorite. I love this one, Unicorn Blood. I love this. Yeah, I think these two. Even this one actually. So yes, guys, those are the Stay Quirky Minis for you. I love the shade, the color palette. I think for most part of it, most of these colors are definitely suited for the Indian skin tone, for different occasions, different needs. You have a little bit of everything, right? By the way, let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do a separate video on how to match your lipsticks with your outfits. There's a bit of It's a little tricky, but it's not that tricky also once you have the basic formula in your mind. So let me know, I can do a separate video on that, okay? As for the Stay Quirky Minis, this is not really a matted lipstick, just before proceeding. It's not like exactly a matted lipstick, but it's not too glossy either. It's somewhere in the middle of matte and glossy effect, and will last you for like about 2 to 3 hours, so you have to do retouch-ups, but you know, these are like super tiny. You can just keep it in your pocket and nobody will know. Moving to the next lipstick, I absolutely love the packaging for this one. Is the Stay Quirky liquid lipsticks, again in the range of minis, but this is slightly different type of minis. Okay, I'll show you that. So this is the Stay Quirky minis liquid lipstick, and this is the shade Let's Make a Pearl Necklace 27. Now moving to the actual product packaging in itself, I love the animal print pattern. It's so chic and so cool. You know, not like your boring everyday design, something different. And as for the shade in itself, it's a beautiful, I absolutely love this color. And it's a nice nude shade, which is perfect for people with the fairer skin tone or slightly on the medium to fair skin tone. Okay, it's not for the girls with the deeper skin tone, but for people with fair skin tone, it's such a beautiful color. It's also the shade which I'm currently wearing because I just couldn't resist putting it on after I was done with the swatches. And this particular, it's a liquid lipstick, but it's a non-drying lipstick. Like most liquid lipsticks tend to be very very no very drying. This one doesn't dry out my lips. However, I do like to wear a little lip balm before applying, so I'll apply lip balm after 15-20 minutes. I'll put on the lipstick. So I have used it for a few times, even in some of my recent videos, and I love this color so much. So yeah, this is another one of the lipsticks which I really want to talk about. Then I'm going to talk about a lipstick which is nude or nude, whatever you call it, for nude, but with a hint of orangish, brownish and red. It's got a bit of everything to it, and definitely a very good color for every Indian skin tone. Even if you have a very deep dark Indian skin tone, you will love this color, your skin will love this color. It will just pop out your lips beautifully. And for those girls who have a lighter fairer skin tone, they can also wear it. It will look different on you, but it's absolutely brilliant. Now this lipstick is the Purple Ultra HD Matte Liquid Lipstick, and the shade is In My First Sitcom Binge 21. I love how, you know, these lipsticks are named. It's like so funny and so cool. Okay, so this is how the lipstick looks up close. It actually looks really fancy. And once again, it's a liquid lipstick that doesn't actually dry out your lips. And do you see the color? Like I just said, it has a slight brown, orange, reddish tinge to it. It has a bit of everything, but also works as a beautiful, almost nude lipstick for those with a deeper skin tone. Now, this lipstick will last you for about 4 to 5 hours, so you will not need that many touch-ups. However, I would definitely recommend that if you want this lipstick to last longer, use a little primer on your lips, and yeah, you will just see the magic happen. Moving on to the next lipstick of the day, Purple Ultra HD Velvet Matte Lipstick Binge Eating Companion 3. That's the shade name, guys, Binge Eating Companion 3. Now let me first show you the product up close. This is how the product is packed. This is how it looks. And this one's not a liquid lipstick. It's basically a usual stick lipstick. And oh my god, I love this color. I can't tell you how much I love this color. It's so rich. It's so chocolatey with a hint of reddish tinge to it. And this actually works for all undertones, you know, because of the way it is designed. Once again, it suits all Indian skin tones, whether you're fair skin. For fair skin girls, it will look more like a brown color. For girls that are actual brown colored skin, this will look like a beautiful matted, very rich colored nude lipstick. It is such a perfect color, and I especially love the fact that there's a color that will go with almost all of your outfits, whether it's a black outfit, red outfit, not red, black, white, yellow, green. You can actually wear this with all of these outfit colors as well. Oh my god, I was actually like, you know, when I saw this lipstick online, I was like, this looks nice, let's give it a try. But when I actually put on my lips, I was absolutely stunned by the, you know, overall look, the appearance. It's a very creamy, soft, smooth formula, very easy to apply. This will last you for about 3 to 4 hours, again, just about that much. So you will need constant touch-ups, but not that constant also, because 3 to 4 hours is a long time enough, right? I love the fact that this lipstick looks so elegant and so rich. Like, some colors just look rich on the lips. I think this is just one of those colors, and the way, you know, the formula is. So yes, that was the next lipstick that I want to talk about. Then another lipstick that I really want to talk about is the Stay Quirky Kiss and Tell liquid lipstick in the shade Tease One. Okay, so Tease One, that's the liquid lipstick shade name. And once again, as you can see, it comes in a super tiny packaging, which makes it super handy to carry around and travel around with. And let me show you the lipstick swatch on my lips. Once again, a beautiful color, and it just pops out on your lips so nicely. Very easy to work with formula, and it's a matted, it's more of a matted color. And this one will actually last you much longer. When I put on this lipstick, I realized this is a lipstick which easily lasted me for about 7-8 hours actually, and I didn't need any touch-ups. However, please make sure you use a lip balm, and you do also carry a lip balm with you when you're carrying this lipstick. If you are prone to having dry lips, you will want to reapply the lip balm. This lipstick in particular does not dry out your lips, but it doesn't also moisturize your lips in a big way. So carry a lip balm, and yeah, that should be good enough. Now moving on to my nail polishes. Those are all the lipsticks I want to talk about, guys. Like I said, lots of nudes and some colorful lipsticks as well. Moving on to the nail polishes. So I have two nude colors, and I also have one frosted green color, which you're going to absolutely love. So first I have with me the Stay Quirky nail polish in the shade Tempting One. Actually, it's Tempting only. That's why we pronounce it right. And the shade is Tempting One, sending you nudes. And let me just swatch this on my fingernails and show you how this looks. I love how gentle, how elegant this color is. And what I love about this color, this shade specifically, is that it's perfect for all age groups. Like whether you're a teenager, whether you are in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, or you want to give this to your grandmother, even then this will be such a perfect color because it's just so natural. It just naturally blends with the color of your nails, just adding a little bit of that extra edge, that extra groomed fine finesse to your look. And yeah, I think that this shade is such a must have. Personally, I loved this shade a lot. I've been wearing it for practically the entire week. You might have even seen me wearing a nude colored nail colors in the last couple of days. Today I changed it while swatching the nail colors for this video, so yeah, I'm not wearing it right now, but it's such a perfect color. Then I have with me the greenish color that I talked about, the purple nail lacquer, and the shade is High on Caramel 11. Now this is a really nice matted finish nail polish, but make sure you shake it really well before you actually apply it. I mean, that applies to every nail polish, but with this particular nail polish I felt it was more true. And once I'm done applying this on my hands, let me show you how this looks on my nails. Isn't this absolutely gorgeous? It's a very nice edgy color, but without being too out there. It's again, it's muted yet loud. That's what I love about this shade. That's what I love about this color. So I've never used a nail color of this shade, so I was like really thrilled to have it. And yeah, that's the next nail polish. And the last and the final product in today's haul is also a nail polish which I'm also wearing right now, which is a purple nail lacquer in the shade High on Latte. Now this is how the shade looks. It's a nude color, but it's slightly more deeper than the ones that we usually see. It has a slight color, like a peach color tint to it, and I love how this looks on my nails. So I'm also wearing it right now, and I'm going to keep it on for a couple of days. So yeah, that's just about it. So guys, these were all the products I wanted to review for you all and share with you all in today's haul. For the Stay Quirky minis, let me know if you want me to do a lip swatch. There were just 12 colors, 12 shades. I didn't want to swatch them on my lips today because if I swatch 12 colors, I will be having like swollen lips for 3 days. So I have to like really plan it. Anyways, let me know if you want me to swatch it. Maybe I can do a separate video. Maybe I can do Insta stories swatching them all for you guys. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. And like I said in the beginning as well, all the links and everything will be there in the description box. And yeah, it's all available on purple.com, which is having the big beauty blowout sale until 27th of September, where you can get up to 50% off on 500 plus brands. So go ahead, check it out, and keep checking out this channel as well because it's awesome. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye. Bye.